Crunchy Cucumber Chronicles, your complete gardening guide. Welcome to the world of cucumber cultivation. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this comprehensive guide will equip you with everything you need to know about growing crunchy cucumbers in your garden. From selecting the right cucumber varieties to harvesting bountiful yields, this journey through the Crunchy Cucumber Chronicles promises to be both informative and rewarding. Understanding cucumbers. Cucumbers, scientifically known as Cucumis sativus, are a member of the gourd family, Cucurbitaceae. Originating from South Asia, cucumbers have been cultivated for thousands of years and are prized for their refreshing flavor and versatile culinary uses. They come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, ranging from the traditional green to yellow and even white. Cucumbers are divided into two main types: slicing cucumbers and pickling cucumbers. Slicing cucumbers are typically larger, with smooth skin and crisp flesh, perfect for salads and snacking. Pickling cucumbers, on the other hand, are smaller and often have bumpy skin, ideal for pickling and preserving. Selecting the right varieties. When choosing cucumber varieties for your garden, consider factors such as climate, space, and intended use. Some popular slicing cucumber varieties include Marketmore 76, Straight 8, and Burpless. For pickling, Boston pickling, National pickling, and homemade pickles are excellent choices. Additionally, there are specialty cucumbers like English cucumbers, which are long and seedless, and Armenian cucumbers, known for their slender, ribbed appearance. Explore different varieties to find the ones that best suit your preferences and growing conditions. Preparing the soil. Cucumbers thrive in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Before planting, amend the soil with compost or aged manure to improve its nutrient content and structure. Ensure proper drainage to prevent waterlogged conditions, which can lead to root rot. For optimal growth, choose a sunny location for your cucumber patch, as cucumbers require at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day. Consider installing a trellis or support system to promote vertical growth and maximize space efficiency. Planting techniques. Cucumbers can be grown from seeds or transplants, depending on your preference and the length of your growing season. If starting from seeds, sow them directly into the garden after the danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed to at least 60 F15.5 Plant seeds 1 inch deep and 6-12 inches apart, depending on the variety. For transplants, start seeds indoors 3-4 weeks before the last frost date and transplant seedlings outdoors once they have developed several true leaves. Handle seedlings carefully to avoid damaging delicate roots, and space them 12-24 inches apart in rows or hills. Caring for your cucumbers. Proper care is essential for healthy cucumber plants and abundant yields. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, as cucumbers have shallow roots that are susceptible to drought stress. Mulch around plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain even soil temperatures. Regularly monitor for pests such as aphids, cucumber beetles, and powdery mildew, and take appropriate measures to control infestations. Consider using organic methods like companion planting, handpicking pests, or applying neem oil to minimize chemical exposure. Harvesting and storage. Harvest cucumbers when they reach the desired size and color, typically 6-8 inches long for slicing cucumbers and 2-4 inches long for pickling cucumbers. Use a sharp knife or garden shears to cut the fruits from the vine, taking care not to damage the plant. Harvest cucumbers regularly to encourage continuous production throughout the growing season. Store freshly harvested cucumbers in the refrigerator for up to a week, or preserve them by pickling, freezing, or canning for long-term storage. Troubleshooting common problems. Despite your best efforts, cucumber plants may encounter various challenges throughout the growing season. Common issues include yellowing leaves, often caused by nutrient deficiencies, overwatering, or pest damage. Test the soil and address any deficiencies, adjust watering practices, and monitor for pests. Bitter fruit. Bitterness in cucumbers can result from uneven watering, high temperatures, or exposure to stress. Maintain consistent moisture levels and provide shade during extreme heat to prevent bitterness. Powdery mildew, a fungal disease that appears as white powdery spots on leaves, stems, and fruit. Improve air circulation around plants, avoid overhead watering, and apply fungicidal sprays as needed to control the spread of powdery mildew. By identifying and addressing problems early on, you can minimize damage and ensure a successful cucumber harvest. That's all for today's video. If you guys liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Thanks for watching.